जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 27th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, do not let these material objects, worldly things enter into your mind. To do that, you have to make your mind balanced. In order to do that, you have to harmonize your breath. That is why do pranayamam. Pranayamam helps you to harmonize your breath. To do that pranayam, you have to sit in a proper posture. Do not open your eyes. If you open your eyes, you will get to see everything around you, and all those things starts going into your mind. And also don't close your eyes. If you close your eyes, you may slowly get into sleep. So don't close your eyes, don't keep your eyes open. But halfway, if you keep your eyes closed and open, then that helps you to be focused. Now, keep your vision focused upon the tip end of your nose. This is how you have to keep doing your sadhana in order to get relieved from the bondage of karma, and in order to have your mind always think about Atma. Oh Arjuna, there is some more process in continuation with this. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us a process to be practiced to get relieved from the karma bondage. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Sparshan krutva bahirbhahyan chakshuschaivantare bhruvoho pranapanau samau krutva nasabhyantarcharinau. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, Mamekam Saranam Vraja, do not cry, Ma Suchaha, keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimadbhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimadbhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma, while touching Chaturmukha Brahma with his divine hands, he is saying that, O Vedagarbha Brahma, Tvayaham Toshitas Samyak, I am very much pleased with your tapasya. You have a desire to do creation, Srishti Karyam. With that wish, you have done great tapasya. I am very much pleased with that tapasya. O Vedagarbha, Varam, Varaya, Bhadrante, Varesham, Mam, Abhivanchitam. I am the one who can bless all the boons. That is why you go ahead and ask me the boon what you want. Bhadra Magugaka Nikuno Padmagarbha Varamunu Ipuditun Yeringimpu Vanchitambu. Let me know what exactly you want. I am ready to give you. Please go ahead and ask me. There is going to be a great success to you. Like that, Sriman Narayana saying to Chaturmukha Brahma, and also saying that, Ho Vedagarbha, Deva Devudanagun, Asmadiya Pada Darshanambu, Avadhi Vipatti Desalakanaga. Once anyone gets to see me, that is what is the end of their all troubles, pains, sorrows, grief. And also all kind of tapasyas in this entire creation, the final result for all the tapasya is my darshanam. Once anyone gets my darshanam, there is no any more troubles. O Brahma, with my divine sankalpam, I have showed you the entire Sri Vaikuntha Lokam. I am the one inspired you to do tapasya. When you are confused and how to do Srishti Karyam, and also when you started crying, I am the one who had you here. 2 letters tapaha. I am the one who inspired you to do tapasya. That is why you have done great tapasya. Tapo me hrudayam sakshat atmaham tapaso nagha. Tapas is my hrudayam. Tapas is my personification. I am the fruit for all of your tapasya. Tapas is my jnanam. Tapas is my glory. Tapas is my glow. And only with the tapas I am ruling this entire universe. Like that, Sriman Narayana saying to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Tattvam Bruvanani Paramparasmat Madhuksharanti Vasatam Phalani Pravartanti प्राप्तया प्राञ्जलिरस्मि जिह्वे नामानि नारायण गोचराणि। कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं। कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter 27th श्लोक। स्पर्शान् कृत्वा बहिर्बाह्यान् चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवोः प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ। स्पर्शान् कृत्वा बहिर्बाह्यान् चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवोः प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।